Hey everyone! In our previous videos, we built a solid system to register products. But in the real world, things change. Prices fluctuate, descriptions need refining, and sometimes you just need a better product photo. Today, we're building the Product Update feature. This isn't just about changing a few words in a database. We're going to cover how to securely fetch existing data so only the owner can edit it, how to handle smart image swapping, meaning we delete old unused images from the server to save storage, and how to use Ajax to make these updates feel instantaneous for the user. Let's get started. First, we need to talk about the edit page skeleton. We don't want a blank form. We want a form pre-filled with the product's current information. In product-edit.php, we grab the ID from the URL using $_get. But here is a critical security step. We don't just search by ID. We search by ID and seller ID. This prevents ID guessing, where a user could manually change the ID in their browser to edit someone else's product. Once we verify the product belongs to the logged-in seller, we fetch that data and inject it directly into the value attributes of our HTML inputs. This ensures the seller sees exactly what they're about to change. Now let's look at the UI. For the categories, we use a loop to display all options, but we add a conditional check. If the category ID matches the product's current category, we add the selected attribute. Small details like this make the UX much smoother. The image section is the most dynamic part. By default, we show the existing image from the database. However, if the user selects a new file, our JavaScript kicks in to show a fresh preview. This gives the user confidence that they've picked the right new photo before they hit Update. When the user clicks Submit, we prevent the default page reload. We package everything, including the product ID and any new image files, into a form data object and send it to our backend via the Fetch API. This is the secret to modern app-like web experiences. Switching over to product-update-process.php, the backend is our source of truth. Even though we validated the data in JavaScript, we must do it again here for security. We check three main things. Title length. Is it under 150 characters? Price. Is it a valid number greater than 0? Mandatory fields. Are the description and category actually filled out? If any of these fail, we stop the process immediately and send an error message back to the front end. This is the part most beginners miss: server cleanliness. If a user uploads a new image, the old one shouldn't just sit on your server forever, taking up space. In our update script, we check if a new image file exists in the $_files array. If it does, we validate the new file type and size, generate a unique name, and save it to the server. The key step: we use the unlink function to delete the old image file from our uploads directory. Finally, we run our SQL update query. We use prepared statements with database.iud to protect against SQL injection. If the update is successful, we return a success response to our JavaScript. And that's a wrap. We've successfully built a secure, efficient, and user-friendly product update system. By combining precise SQL queries, careful file management with unlink, and smooth AJAX transitions, you've moved one step closer to a production-ready e-commerce platform. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more full-stack development content. Keep coding, and see you all in the next video.